I'm Amber. Today I want to show you how to set up your habits, how to plan them into your week, and how they help you stay consistent. So within Griply, you can add habits that are linked directly to your goal, but you can also add standalone habits. But I would definitely recommend you to link a goal to every habit, because the goal is basically the why you are doing that habit, and it helps you with motivation. Let's start with a habit that's linked directly to a goal. So my goal is to grow my newsletter to 10K sub. I already added some tasks here and sub goal. The easiest way to add a habit is to just type it with natural language. So for example, my goal is to write newsletter content 3 times per week. And you can see that Griply will automatically recognize this as a habit schedule, and it will turn it into a habit. You can write any schedule that you'd like. On our help center on the website, you can find how to type each schedule. And when I press enter, it's added. I also want to add another habit, which is to review my analytics every Friday. And now it's also added. And all the habits that are linked to this goal will be shown on top with the progress card. So you have everything together here. And you get a clear overview of your consistency over time. And of course, you can also add your habit with the habit dialog. So you have a little bit more settings like reminder, priority, text, and you can add all these settings with natural language as well. So I would always recommend to use natural language for habits. At the bottom, I also have some visibility options. So I can choose to not show this habit in the habit list, and the habit list is basically the habit overview. Sometimes people choose to not show their habit there because they don't want to clutter their view with things like taking out the garbage. And then you can choose to toggle this off. The same goes for the setting to not show it in a task list. So for example, if I have 10 plus habits that I do every day, sometimes people don't want to show them into the today view and clutter all their work tasks with personal habits. So you can choose to not show it into the task list. Now let's plan our habits that we created into our week. We can do that into the upcoming calendar view. And Griply is really unique here compared to other productivity tools because you can plan your habits on different times and different days throughout the week. So it matches your actual schedule, and that makes it much easier to achieve your habits because you can plan them on a time that works for you. So for example, my review analytics habit that we just created is here. And I want to do that today at 1 o'clock. And it will take me an hour. So in this way, you can easily add your habits to your week. Also for next week, I want to plan my newsletter writing sessions. So I will drag this onto Monday, 9 o'clock. And then I want to also do this on Friday. And maybe on Wednesday, I will do it in the afternoon. And I will do a longer session. And this makes it easier to achieve your habit because maybe next week I don't have time on Wednesday. I can just easily adjust it, plan it on Thursday, another day, another time, whatever works for your schedule. A big part of achieving your habits is consistency. So on the Insights tab, you can find all your habit charts. These help you spot patterns, what's working, what isn't. And in this way, you can easily adjust your planning. So for example, if I have a habit that I want to do 3 times per week, but every week I see that I don't make it, then I can just easily change the schedule into 2 times per week. And you can click your habit to see all the details of this habit. So for example, I have some subtasks here. You can see your statistics over the years. So you can change the time frame as well. So for example, you want to see the last 12 weeks or the last 4 weeks. You can see your upcoming occurrences and quickly add something if you want to add an extra occurrence for this week. And you can see all your settings that we discussed earlier. And there's also another way to see your statistics, which is the habit overview. Here you'll see your weekly progress. You can switch weeks here on the top to see your progress over the weeks. And you can add progress to your days. So for example, I have this reading 30 minutes per day habit. I can right click the day to log any progress. And it will be shown in my statistics here. And the last thing I want to show you is how to add recurring tasks with natural language input. So I will open the quick entry dialog with Ctrl spacebar, but you can do this from anywhere where you create a task within Griply. And the task that I want to add is take out the garbage every Friday, 6 p.m. And to add a goal or life area, you can use the tilde. And I will type home because this is my life area that I want to link it to. And you can see that all the settings are filled in here. I don't want to show this habit into my habit list, so I will toggle this off and create my habit. So that's how you create, plan, and track your habits and recurring tasks within Griply. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.